we're a team counting sheep. I think that's what
Yeah, counting sheep.
And this week, while we're talking about the user groups that we're going to explore for this project, we came up with 2 really good extreme user groups that we're going to explore for now and get some insight before we settle on one to focus on for the project. And the 2 user groups we've decided on are insomniacs, and the other group is big people in small spaces. We sort of got the idea of big people in small spaces. Football players flying in coach is pretty uncomfortable, but it's also applicable to others, so we thought this would be a good direction to take.
Definitely. So as far as like kind of looking at the certain empathy ones, I have a pretty unique opportunity to actually like, at least for the big people in small spaces, kind of really get in the field and be hands-on. The rowing team's traveling to Seattle this weekend, so I'm planning on interviewing a few flight attendants on, what they've noticed sometimes with big people and sleeping issues, and moreover, just how they handle big people kind of flying in coach. We have a few guys on the rowing team that are, 6'6", 6'7", 6'8", so actually like interviewing them while they're in that space, seeing exactly what's uncomfortable, what's preventing them from sleeping, I think is going to be really, really useful. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do this weekend.
Yeah, and then obviously on the football team, we have a lot of big guys as well. We do travel pretty much every other week. So this Sunday, we're going to interview a couple of guys on the team, and then I can get more interviews the following week, which is our next away game. So we'll be on the plane then, just kind of get them in the actual situation of being in those cramped spaces, which will be pretty useful.
Maybe even do some user testing by then.
Exactly. Oh, yeah.
Yes, and we're also going to reach out to the Stanford Sleep Clinic and try and set up some sort of group interview to learn a little bit more about the sleep in general, both for people who have a lot of trouble falling asleep, such as insomniacs, but also just like the physical aspects of like what makes a good sleep environment. So that's where we are right now. I think we have a good plan. So we'll see you Monday.
All right.
Perfect.